Who else remembers when I used to do Miss Pap hauls all the time? I used to love Miss Pap so much, but I've kind of just like stopped shopping there and I don't know why. This is crazy. I'm now working with them. What is my life? They've gifted me everything in this haul, which I'm so grateful for, so thank you so much. This was for a TikTok, but then I was like, there's enough pieces for a YouTube haul, so I'm going to show you, and they're such good pieces, so I wanted to show my YouTube angels, of course. If you want to see what I got from Miss Pat, keep on watching. Okay, angels, so the first piece is this little gym set. No, I don't go to the gym. No, not me at all. But wearing gym wear as clothes, it is clothes, but like outfits is a yes from me. So I've got this grey seamless ribbed, let me come closer just so you can see it. I will be cut off though. This seamless ribbed little gym set. This is in grey, but they had it in so many colours and I need all of them. Like imagine this in a nude colour with like a nude puffer. That would look amazing. It's got padding here, which is nice because I don't have much going on here. So for it to give me something is amazing. Waistband on the leggings is so thick. These were a bit long for me. I just rolled them up and they were completely fine, like you can barely tell. Just paired it with some black chunky trainers. So this does come as a set, but it's very stretchy, so you know it will fit top and bottom, you know what I mean? But what I will pair this with is this coat here. I already own a long black puffer jacket, but I'm just really not a fan on it. I've kept it just because I wanted one in my wardrobe, but I'm going to replace it with this. Look at that length first of all. This is very long, but I like the either cropped, you know, like normal length puffers, or the extremely long ones like this, just because I feel like if it's like at the knees, it's like, does it fit you? Are you just wearing it like, you know what I mean? It's just a silly length. This is a perfect length where you can just see my shoes from the side. Funny enough, I didn't actually choose this. I did choose a normal length one, but they sent me this instead. I guess maybe it went out of stock. I'm so glad, well not Miss Pat, the angel over at Miss Pat, I'm so glad she sent me this one because you know. The arms are not too long, perfect length. They've got cuffed here, as we can see, which is amazing, so it doesn't drown you and it just fits so perfectly on the arms. Got a little pull string thing here, you know, to make a belt. It's a zip and buttoned all the way down. It does have a hood, as you can see, which is nice to have. I probably won't use it, but I'm just obsessed. I feel like gym wear and long puff coats just look amazing together, and you know, the black shoes, the black jacket just looks great. The quality of this jacket is so insane. Like, it's got weight to it, it's so thick, it will keep you so warm, like so unbelievably warm. I've never been so happy with a coat. Like, I'm so, you don't understand my excitement for this coat right now. It's kind of embarrassing how excited I am over a coat. For someone who's 5 foot and struggles with length on everything, this is just amazing. While we was on the topic of coats, I thought I'd show you this. Doesn't really go with this gym outfit, does it? Maybe it does. Maybe it's just grey, I don't know. I've been looking for a trench for so long. I'm a bit upset because this isn't a size 8. I did want a 6, but this 8, no, I did want a 6, but the 6 was sold out. So I got the 8 anyway. I mean, I could get away with this. It's just the arms, like that. But I wear my things kind of scrunched anyway, so you wouldn't be able to tell if I didn't show you that there. Again, lengthwise, amazing. A trench is just needed in your autumn winter wardrobe. They can be styled so many ways. A way I styled this over on my TikTok, I wore a black unitard under this, and then I wore some black chunky boots. It looks really cool if I do say so myself. If you do want to see the other ways I styled this, I have kind of styled it the same as I have on my TikTok. Some things are a little different, so check my TikTok out over there. I also forgot to mention I do have a discount code. The discount code is Chyna for 40% off. 40%. That's a joke. Almost 50. The stuff's cheap on there as it is, so it's craziness. Again, the quality is lovely. Let me just come up close so you can see it a bit more. It's got the turtle shell buttons all the way down and a belt. Oh, where's the, there we go. The belt to tie it. Just obsessed. There's so many ways you can style trenches. Like, you need a trench in your wardrobe for autumn winter, 100%. Okay, last jacket, I promise. I just got so many jackets because Miss Pap's jackets are just so amazing. I don't know if you guys remember, if you've been on the channel for long enough, when I done my Miss Pap hauls years ago now, I have a black denim jacket. This black denim jacket, I'm obsessed with. Like, unbelievably obsessed, and I've been looking for a dark blue jacket for ages. I wanted a dark blue because I just feel like it goes with things like grey and just everything. My black one was from Miss Pat, and I didn't even think to look if they had a blue one. They have a dark blue one. I like it because it looks kind of like an oversized shirt, and this is a size 6 by the way, and this is the fit of it. Just so in love with it. It makes me so happy. It sounds so cringe, but I absolutely love this jacket. It's amazing. The quality is really nice. It isn't as thick as some oversized jackets. I like to wear my denim jackets with a pair of leggings, chunky trainers like these, and a hoodie. I feel like a grey or white oversized hoodie with this will look so nice. Denim jackets are also great for nights out as well. You can literally just pop them over your shoulders. I'm just supplying the goods for you all because I just love you all, and that's what I'm here for. At all costs, please ignore my feet if you see them. They are not tanned and they're not painted. Well, they are, but like the paint's like a week old. Is this not a cute night out outfit? Like, it's not too much, like it's still casual with the trousers, but then you got the heels and the top. It's just looks really sick. One thing I will say about Miss Pat is sometimes the stuff can run a little bit big. First of all, we've got these like cargo shell trousers. They're like that shiny, I don't know what material this is, but they've got like little toggles here, so you pull them to cinch them in, and obviously you like tie them so they cinch in, and they just look really cool. And then we've got this ribbed top. This is from Miss Pat, of course. Lovely beige ribbed with thick lines here. As you can see, it's just a little bit big for me. This is a size 6. The same with the trousers. I got the smallest size. They fit lovely, like they fit my waist and stuff, but if you do prefer a smaller fit, then do size down if possible. Quality of both items is lovely. Like, this is not see-through. These don't feel cheap. This is just one way I'd style both pieces. You can wear this top with jeans as well if you wanted, or you can wear these bottoms with like a hoodie and a coat. I just really wish this top fitted me because this would be my go-to top. Like, I love a little corset top. Look at the state of that wardrobe. It's becoming an actual problem at this point. This either looks really cute or looks like I'm about to start my waitress shift. It just reminds me of Waitress, like the black shirt part. Is this a dupe for the dress Molly May wore a couple months ago? Maybe. I love the whole boxy shirt part, and then it's a dress, kind of like ruched here. Again, I'll come closer. So it's buttons here, and then it's got a zip on the side, which is really helpful to get into. A little slit, you know, naughty. You can have them as open as you want. I just left it like this so it is a bit more chill and girly. Again, just wearing a pair of clear heels because I wear clear heels with absolutely everything. Lovely quality shirt, really nice. I mean, how can a shirt be terrible? Because it's black, they do have this in other colours as well. You can literally wear any colour. That looks cute. And then we could go pink. Oh, it's stuck. That also looks cute. We'll do one more just to, you know, prove a point. That looks cute also. It's just versatile. You can literally wear anything with it. It looks amazing on a night out. You could chill it down, I guess, with trainers and a denim jacket. Being dead honest, don't have much to say because it literally is a shirt, dress. What else can you say about it? This dress is beautiful. The slit just makes it, doesn't it? It just makes it that step further. I love a square neckline. It's so flattering. Whether you have a chest or you don't. The arms just are a little bit long, but you know, you can just scrunch them. Things like this can be fixed. I wish it was also just a little bit more on the like cinch side, but again, problems that no one else cares about other than me. The dress is perfect. The colour, the length, look at the length, not too long. The slits, nice ribbed thick material. Looks really nice with my necklace as well. Now for the boots. Oh, I'm stood on the lace. Look how cute these boots are. Let me take one off and then show you. Here we go, we'll be a good YouTuber here. Look at those chunky beige boots, and then it has this tie and you just wrap it round and it just looks great. You can wrap it around your leg or the boot like I have. I stuck true to size. I paired this outfit with my blue denim jacket. You can also wear a bomber or a trench coat would look amazing also. You can wear heels with this or boots like I have. Even if you wore longer boots, smaller boots, a fur coat would look great too. Whether you're going to dinner, Winter Wonderland, anyway, it's just such a lovely piece. It's versatile, it's so soft, it's not itchy knit neither. You guys know already what I'm about to say about the trousers. They are very, very long. I mean, I'm 5 foot. What do we expect? They are just... There was no way they were going to fit me, being honest. So that's fine. We'll talk about the jumper for now. So it says Miss Pap on it. Very vintage vibes. I love this so much. Love everything, don't I? When do I not, honestly? I love the colours together. I like that it's more of a rugged, acidy wash as well. I did size up in this. I grabbed an 8 instead of a 6. It's an oversized fit, but not drowning you oversized fit. So if you like that, then just size up 1. I love this outfit together. I just paired it with my white Air Forces, but the jeans are just too big, like this ways and this ways. And they do feel a little bit cheap. I have tried jeans from Miss Pat before, like their normal blue ones, and they've been amazing. So I'm not sure why these are any different, but if you're 5 foot, I just avoid these at all costs because there's no way, no rolling, no nothing's gonna make this any better. Even the trench would look nice, or the puffer. These type of jumpers is what I wear with a denim jacket, like leggings, Air Forces, jacket. I'm overly pleased with this, but I'm just not as pleased with these, which is such a shame because I've loved everything in the haul so far. I feel like I always go through phases of loving and hating things. I used to hate these type of joggers first, then I loved them, wore them all the time, then sold them because I hated them, and now I love them again. I'm the same with tweed and stuff. Like I do it, I sell it, I get rid of it, and then I'm like, oh my god, now I love it again. I got them again because I saw Miss Pap had a pair and I really like them. Just a bit too big on the waist, but that's what the drawstring's for. This is real, you can use it, but the rest is fine. This is just baggy because it's meant to be. Oh, it's got no pockets. Minus points there, angels. Minus points. I need pockets. I'm such a pockety person. Oh my god. Keep falling. Again with clear heels. This top, talk to me about this top. Isn't that so beautiful? Again, that rib knit material. This is a beige colour. It looks more white, but it's beige. I just thought chill, and then more out. I feel like it looks cute together. Very similar to the other outfit, actually. I'm loving beige and black together at the moment. But the quality of these trousers are so lovely. Like, it's really soft on the inside, like fleece lined. Really thick. It doesn't have that weird fish smell, which is weird because faux leather always smells. And for this to not smell, I don't know what they've done. Also, the quality of this top's lovely as well. I can't see that it's see-through from like the camera and in the mirror, but obviously when I go back to edit, we'll find out. I also like this outfit with this hairstyle. I feel like it really, really does go. But what are your guys' opinions on these trousers? Because as I said, I go through phases of liking them and not. What are we thinking? I just don't know. Like right now I like them, but I know in a couple of weeks, maybe days, I'm gonna hate them again. So everyone, that's the end of my Miss Pap haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want more Miss Pap hauls or what your favourite item is. Don't forget to use my discount code Chyna for 40% off. And other than that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.